So you want to go from LAX to Long Beach, California. How are you going to do it? And how expensive is it going to be? I can tell you how to get there in 3 steps for $1.75. Let me show you how. So we were planning a cruise where we knew we were going to fly into Los Angeles and we needed to get to Long Beach. So we tried to figure out how are we going to get there. We could take an Uber, or we looked around and they said you can get there cheap by going on the train, on the LA Metro. But could it really be that simple? Could it really be that easy and cheap? $1.75. We looked at Uber. It was going to be 30 minutes and $69. Whoa. So we did choose the train, and we want to take you with us while we go there. But first, there's a few things you need to know before you go on your cruise out of Long Beach. First of all, you need to consider timing. So you're going to come in the night before your cruise, right? I know no one watching this video is going to go in the day of your cruise. Not smart. So when you do that, you're going to need a hotel. The station is right on the street where several hotel chains are. So you have the Hyatt, you have the Sheraton, you have Marriott, where we stay. It is so close to the airport, you can even see the runway from the hotel itself. And it's literally just a couple blocks from the first train stop you're going to get on. Now, because you came in the night before, you have time to spare and you can plan your train ride. Because yes, the Uber ride is way expensive, but it's only 30 minutes. The train ride with 2 transfers is going to be $1.75, but it's also going to be 1.5 hours. Enjoy the city, see something new, live a little, because you're just going on cruise. Just start your vacation early. Here's the thing that's going to make it really easy: Google Maps. This is so simple. Type in Aviation Century Station, and then you're going to get directions to the Carnival Cruise Terminal. When you do that, you're going to be sure to click on the transit, and right now it's 1 hour and 34 minutes to get there. And here's how it works. You're going to get directions exactly from Google, even down to how many stops are left on the train. They'll pop up right on your phone, so be sure you allow notifications. Once you get on Aviation Century, you're going to go on the green line, the Metro line, also called the C line. And once you get off at Willowbrook, Google Maps is going to tell you exactly where to walk. It's literally an elevator or escalator ride to a different platform where you will meet the blue Metro line, the A line. And that is going to take you right into Long Beach. Now, when you transfer at Willowbrook and get on that blue line, take the train down to 5th Street. Once you get off at 5th Street, all you have to do is walk across the street to 6th and Long Beach, and you'll be at the passport sign. That is the free shuttle that Long Beach offers every weekend to get to the Carnival Cruise Port. If you typed it in and Google says you need to walk 41 minutes to the port, they're wrong. Just go straight across the street, look for the sign that says passport. We didn't know where we were going, and we had plenty of people on the street from the Metro to actually tell us where to go. I'm Craig. I'm a travel agent with Sell and Soar Adventures at sellandsoar.com. If this video helped you, then feel free to give us a like, give us a subscribe so you can see more about our travels. And the next time you're going to book a cruise or any vacation, reach out to me at Craig at sellandsoar.com. We'll get you started on your next adventure.